Are you ready to take your salon to the next level without all the guesswork? I'm excited to introduce the launch of the Salon Owner Blueprint, the ultimate program designed to help you build, grow, and sustain a thriving salon. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine tune your existing business, this comprehensive blueprint covers everything you need for success. From creating a solid business structure to mastering your marketing and streamlining your hiring process, to building client loyalty, improving team earning potential, and managing operations seamlessly. The Salon Owner Blueprint literally has it all. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides on how to set up a rock-solid business framework, boost your marketing game with social media, email, and blogging strategies, hire top talent with streamlining processes, and retaining clients for the long haul with proven techniques. Access a ready-to-use operations manual to keep everything running smoothly. Plus, you'll get access to the digital tools, templates, and success strategies that will empower your team and set your salon apart from the competition. If you're ready to stop putting out fires and to start running your salon with confidence and clarity, then the Salon Owner Blueprint is for you. Enroll today by clicking the link in the show notes or heading to www.opulentbeautypro.com/blueprint. It's time to create a salon you're proud of and to start building the business of your dreams.
Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you are absolutely in love with. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more.
Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the Elevate podcast, where we give salon owners the tools, insights, and strategies to grow their business and to take control of their success. Today, I'm sharing something that I am beyond excited about, our 2025 marketing strategy. And let me tell you, this year, we're leaning into what I call the I don't give a fuck if I annoy you marketing phase. Here's the thing. If you look at the most successful brands, whether it's your favorite coffee chain, beauty product, or even an inspiring influencer, they all share one common trait, and that is visibility. They show up consistently, relentlessly, and unapologetically, adding value and staying at the top of your mind. So if you're ready to step into your marketing game and truly grow your salon or your business, grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm about to break down exactly how we are making this year our most visible and valuable year yet. Before I dive into the tactical side, let's talk about why visibility matters so much. I want you to think about it. How many times do you scroll past a brand before you actually stop and notice? Studies show that it takes 7 to 10 touch points before a potential client even considers taking action or considers walking into your business. So here's the truth. If you're not showing up, someone else will. If you don't share your expertise, no one will know what makes your business unique. And visibility isn't just about being loud or everywhere. It's about showing up with purpose and with value. Most successful brands understand that their content needs to either educate, entertain, or inspire. This mindset is what's driving our entire marketing strategy for 2025. Before we get into it, I want to talk about the thing that we have been utilizing for the past couple of years, and that is our marketing calendar, which contains monthly promotions. So we stay on track to continually add value to the guests coming through our door. I want to share this powerful tool with you. So if you are an Elevate Insider, we will give you the copy that we use inside of my salon. Within this calendar is every single monthly promotion that we utilize, along with the training ideas and client experience ideas that I work with my stylists on month to month, so we stay on track to continually grow. This powerful tool is what keeps us focused, keeps my stylists on track, and our comprehensive marketing calendar is filled with pretty good promotions designed to add value to our guest appointments and to keep us ahead of the marketing strategies we're about to share in this podcast all year long. Here's how the calendar works. Each month, we've planned a specific promotion or theme to enhance the client experience. For example, January, we have our extension promotion. February, double rewards for client referrals. And March, we do double loyalty points for the clients coming into our business. Each one of these promotions has been strategically picked because I know January and February, we are slow. And I strategically have created a way to add value every single month to help drive business in my salon or to help resolve a problem that can possibly happen because of the time of year it is. So we've created 12 months of curated promotions like these, and they align with seasonal trends and the client's needs. Why does this matter? It keeps our marketing consistent and proactive, not reactive. There's nothing worse than a salon owner or a salon posting that they're doing discounts and deals because they're slow. You can always tell when it's reactive and when they are panicking trying to get clients through the door. When your marketing is proactive, it is very well thought out. It is very strategic to create results in your business. It allows us to surprise and delight our clients with experiences that make their visit very memorable. And it positions us as a salon that truly cares about going the extra mile for the people coming in our business. Subscribe to the Elevate Insider if you are not subscribed already to download this calendar so you can really start creating strategy in your business. So you can start taking charge of your marketing tactics as well. Because when you have a whole calendar planned out, you can plan your social media, you can plan your email marketing, you can plan your Google ads. You have everything set and ready to go. And again, everything is done strategically and you can really pre-plan with this calendar. So I hope that you like it. And again, if you are not subscribed, you should definitely subscribe to the Elevate Insider to get today's PDF. Also, having a clear plan in place ensures you stay on track no matter how busy you are, right? And I and my marketing director, Megan, really like to be ahead of the game and on top of everything. We like to have our emails done. We like to have our social media set and ready to go and scheduled. You can even schedule your emails. So when you have your marketing calendar all planned out for the whole year, this allows you to really be ahead of the game and to really pre-plan and have things automated in your business. And as a salon owner, you need to stay on top of the automations to give you freedom and to give you your time back. If you are somebody who does not want to do the marketing, if you don't want to do the social media, if you don't want to do the email marketing, if you don't have time for that, that's why I've created the Salon Owner's Blueprint. We literally have over 100 pieces of content in there, including email marketing for the whole year, templates. It is done for you. You can literally grab our promotion calendar, and if you purchase the Salon Owner's Blueprint, all of the marketing is done for you. All you have to do is copy and paste and schedule the things to promote your business. So if you are not a subscriber to the Elevate Insider, and if you do not have the Salon Owner's Blueprint yet, I highly recommend you purchase that. It is literally a steal, and I am continually adding to it all the time. We are going to be adding promotions and leadership training to the program. It is so robust. It literally has everything that your salon needs. Let's get into the details. Here is the playbook we are using this year to stay visible and to grow our business. We are going to be doing anywhere from 2 to 3 emails per week. So you might be asking, why so many? Because email is the single most effective way to connect directly with your audience. Social media algorithms change, but email lands in their inbox every single time. So here's the thing. I used to be like, oh, I don't want to annoy people with email. I don't want to spam people. When you have emails that have content that is valuable to the people coming into your business or the people you're marketing to, they want to open your emails. A lot of salon owners only send out an email when they're making changes like price increases or schedule changes, things like that. They don't utilize email to actually market their business, which is a horrible loss and a huge gap for a lot of salon owners. Also, you want to make sure to keep your emails short, visibly appealing, and focus on one call to action. So for our social media strategy, we are doing 3 posts a day. Yes, 3 posts a day. Why, you ask? Because consistency is rewarded by the algorithm, and the more posts we put out, the more opportunities we have to connect. Another thing that we're doing is client gifts and enhancement experiences. This year, we're doubling down on what makes our clients feel valued. Thoughtful gestures and elevated experiences is what we're focusing on. We are trying to create an unforgettable salon experience because we want people to talk about us. Not only do we want to be in everyone's faces on social media and in their inbox, but we also want to be on the top of people's minds when people are sharing what they've done for the day or if people are looking for recommendations for a new salon. So we want clients to be happy and we want them to turn into repeat guests. That is going to be the best source for referrals, is really dialing in on your guest experience, and client gifts are a hit. They don't have to be expensive, by the way. We create our own minis in the salon. We buy beautiful packaging from Amazon. We have really cute boxes and very cute bags. And I have stickers printed out from Lightning labels, and everything looks so professional. Our little travel sizes that we make ourselves or our samples end up costing me anywhere from 75 cents to $1.50. That is way cheaper than actually buying minis from other brands. Other brands' minis are anywhere from $4 to $8. It's insane. And that is not sustainable for your business. So there are ways that you can create branded samples for your guests. And then we print out cards with instructions from moo.com, put those in the bag so they know how to use them. We use the stickers from Lightning Labels with our logo and all of the, things that the clients need to know as well. And clients love these gifts. We will also have a PDF created with all of the things that we utilize to create these minis. And that is also going to be included with the Elevate Insider. So you can learn how to make these free gifts for your guests and keep them under $5. So another strategy we're using to be up in everyone's face is paid advertising through Google and Meta ads. If organic marketing is the foundation, paid ads are the rocket fuel. So now let's talk about the mindset, because this is where a lot of people get stuck. You might be thinking, what if I post too much? Or what if people unsubscribe from my emails? And to that, I say, so what? Here's the deal. People who unsubscribe or unfollow you aren't your ideal client. They're not your ideal client. The more you narrow and niche down your list, the more you can target the people that are interested in actually purchasing from you. Your dream clients, the ones who value your expertise and love your brand, will stick around and appreciate your consistency. The businesses that succeed are the ones that don't apologize for showing up. They believe in the value that they provide, and they aren't afraid to share it over and over again. If you're ready to embrace this, I don't care if I annoy the fuck out of you mindset, here's how you can start. 1, you need to plan your content. You need to block out time each week to batch create your emails, social media posts, your ads. Consistency comes from preparation. I'm going to say that again. Consistency comes from preparation. Again, if you're a busy salon owner and you don't have time for this is literally why I created the Salon Owner's Blueprint. It's done for you. All you have to do is refine it and really customize it to you and your brand, but everything is done for you in the blueprint. All your emails are done. Your captions are done. You have templates there that you just have to swap out pictures. It's done for you. If you're a busy salon owner, there is no excuse with this resource not to do the steps in today's podcast. So you want to plan your content. You want to focus on value. Remember, your content should always educate, entertain, or inspire. You want to track your metrics. So using tools like Google Analytics, your email marketing platform should have analytics. Really see what intrigues the people that are interested in your business. Also look at your social media insights, what's working and what's not. Then you want to test and tweak. Not every single post or email will hit the mark, and that's okay. The key is to learn, adjust, and keep going. So here are my closing thoughts. As we head into 2025, let this be the year you stop playing small. I've played small for so many years. I am done. This is the year we're going to show up big, and you should show up bigger and bolder and more consistent than ever before too. Because the business that grow are the ones that refuse to stay quiet. If you want to dive deeper into strategies like this, here's how I can help you. Sign up for my weekly business email, and you can do that at www.opulentbeautypro.com. Every week I send out actionable strategies straight to your inbox, and it's completely free. You can, again, if you want the work taken off your plate, check out my Salon Owner Blueprint program and take my marketing tools and customize them to your salon. Also, if you are a busy salon owner and you do not have time to schedule your content, we also do that for you. Megan, our marketing director, handles social media. You can also set up a session with her and she can schedule out all your emails. She is an amazing resource, and you can also find a way to sign up with Megan on our website at www.opulentbeautypro.com, and she can take those things off of your plate for you so you are ready to go in 2025. And also, if you are not subscribed to the Elevate Insider, please join. It's $7.99 a month, and you get the full episodes with all of the tangible steps and the PDFs that come along with each episode, which are so valuable. And those episodes really keep you informed and inspired. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, the only way to grow is to show up. Until next time, keep showing up, keep adding value, and keep elevating your business.
Thanks for tuning in to the Elevate podcast. If you loved this episode, it would mean the world to me if you would leave a review on Apple Podcast or wherever you listen. The Elevate podcast is hosted by me, Patricia Nowakowski, and is produced by Opulent Beauty Pro. To receive my free business guides, visit opulentbeautypro.com/free or click the link in the show notes. You can find me on Instagram at Opulent Beauty Pro or at Patricia_Nowakowski_OBS. If you love this show, please consider subscribing, and we will see you next week.